For future reference, young man, you don't disrespect the police like that. You don't disrespect the police like that. And you just aimlessly just walking around. I want to know. I'm doing my job. I want to know who you are and where you live. We have every right to stop you to find out who you are and where you live.
Welcome back, folks. This video comes to you from a channel called Yitzy on May 9th, 2021 in the area of Delacrest Drive in St. Louis, Missouri. He and a friend were hanging out after his friend had a long day of work. Sergeant Larry Beckton was on patrol and drove past the two gentlemen. Yitzy decides to express his First Amendment and show his displeasure of the University City Police Department by gesturing to Sergeant Beckton, one of the most ancient insult gestures known to mankind, the digitus impedicus, also known as the middle finger. It goes all the way back to ancient Greece as a way to display anger. Sergeant Beckton was unhappy with this multicultural gesture of displeasement, so he decides to confront these traditional young men. This is when Sergeant Beckton turns on the body cam.
You guys live over here?
Free speech is a First Amendment.
Oh, absolutely.
Right.
But do you live over here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see your ID. I need to see your guys' ID.
No, thanks. What crime are we suspected of?
Okay, you guys are aimlessly walking out around here?
We're not aimlessly walking out, sir.
No, I need
all the time.
Okay, do you live over here?
Yes, I live in this neighborhood.
Okay, I need to get your ID from you.
No,
Give me your name.
Sir, no, thank you.
No, it's not an option.
I'm going to keep walking.
No, you're being detained right now. Both you guys are being detained for suspicious activity. You're aimlessly walking around. I need to see your ID.
I don't have my ID on,
sir. Okay, sir, step over here for a second. I need to see your ID. You're being detained right now.
What's your name and badge number?
That's not my name. Is right here. Okay. I need to see your number? I need to see your ID. Oh, you need to give me some ID. It's not an option. Or I will take you to the station and get your ID.
Sir, is this because I flicked you off?
No, you're aimlessly walking around here.
I came from my house.
Okay. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs right now. Go ahead and stand up, and you go ahead and resist if you want to. You're being detained.
Can you video?
Okay, have a seat. You have anything that's going to stick me?
No. That's my wallet. If you really want my ID, that's that.
Have a seat. Go ahead and stand up for me, sir. You have any weapons on you?
No.
I'm going to pat you down for weapons.
Dude, we came to smoke a cigarette.
Okay.
I came from my house. My friend works at Walgreens.
Okay, you're aimlessly walking around. There's been a lot of stuff that's going on around here.
Explaining to you what happened. Came from my house.
Okay, have a seat. Have a seat. And I'm asking you for your ID. Okay, give us your name. Is your ID in your wallet?
Yes. And I said I don't want to ID myself.
Put your hands down.
What's your last name?
Me?
Yeah.
What?
What's your social?
I don't know that by heart. I have it on my phone.
Here, hold on.
Yeah, check them. 28s and 29s.
Got a fragile ego, bro. All because I flicked you off.
No, that's disrespectful. That's disrespectful.
Why is that of your concern? It might be disrespectful.
No, I'm not concerned about that.
Stop me.
You can do whatever you want to do, young man, but at the same time,
what I was doing.
but if you aimlessly walking around here, I want to know. I want to know. Listen to me. I'm letting you talk. Let me talk. Let me explain to you. We have every right to stop you to find out who you are and where you live.
Okay.
Period.
Okay. If that's what you feel like.
How old are you?
22.
You're 22. Have you ever been arrested for anything?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any warrants right now?
No.
Okay. So where are you guys on your way to now?
Right
I was
this bench
gonna-
right here.
Okay.
Smoke a cigarette with my friend and go home.
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you right now. Okay, so you normally come over here, go to the Walgreens, sit on the bench?
Not always this bench, sometimes this
Okay.
bench, sometimes we just stand.
Okay. But future reference, young man, you don't disrespect the police like that. You don't disrespect the police like that. And you just aimlessly just walking around. I want to know. I'm doing my job. I want to know who you are and where you live.
When Yitzi told Becton that he had a fragile ego, Becton responds with, "That's disrespectful," which is a full-on confession that the young man is sitting in handcuffs over feelings. This is why I continue to point out the importance of cops knowing the First Amendment before they even apply for the job. They swear an oath to the Constitution, but you can't find one video on the internet where a cop actually knows it when being sworn in. How did Becton get 3 chevrons on his sleeve? He should be fired, charged, arrested for false imprisonment, and never be allowed to police in any department again. He unreasonably handcuffed him until he ran him for warrants. There is no law for aimlessly walking around that Becton keeps referring to. This is why it's important to teach cops how to enforce laws and put away the feelings when putting on the uniform. Keep watching.
Yeah, hoods are so super suspicious when it's cold outside.
They're just not good anymore.
And you can record, but step back a little bit. They're being detained. Go ahead and continue recording, but I want you to step away. Absolutely.
A lot of danger going on.
And you still talking.
Yeah, because you guys are pieces of shit for stopping people who want to go on to break for a cigarette because I flicked you off. That now all of a sudden I'm acting suspicious. If I would have not flicked you off and we would have kept walking, you would have never. This stop never would have happened. You would have never accused me of doing suspicious activity. Correct? I thought.
Oh, now you want me to answer your question? Okay. No, I don't. It doesn't work like that. Are you guys related?
No.
No.
Both violent, no warrant.
Okay. Let's get their
Can I ask
information
you, how do I
and-
get an officer complaint form?
And
What's
put them
that
on the front.
process?
Better stand up. I'll take these cuffs off.
What's the process of getting an officer complaint form?
You come down to the station or call the police station.
Okay.
All right, you guys are free to go.
Have a nice day.
Don't forget your wallet right there.
Yeah, I put it in your front pocket, boss.
Alright folks, so what do we learn from this video? Yitzi likes doing this type of thing, expressing his First Amendment right as an American.
I just flipped off this cop and he flipped back around, turned on his lights.
What's up, man?
What's up?
What?
Yeah, I'm good. Is this a consensual encounter?
Huh?
Is this a consensual encounter?
You tell me, yeah, I'm talking.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Bradley, DSM 567.
Okay, am I being detained?
No.
Okay, alright, have a nice day.
He believes that the University City Police Department deserves to know he's unsatisfied with their service. Yitzi filed a complaint with the University City Police Department, and it led to an investigation that would ultimately lead to a big nothing burger. I'm guessing Becton still has his 3 chevrons and still doesn't know the First Amendment. Welcome to America, folks, where the police are a lawless bunch that are out enforcing feelings, not law. Before you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution, and this one is dedicated to Becton, who, even if he watches this video, will still never know it. You have the freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Know your rights, folks, because Becton doesn't, and he's still out there. Thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to Yitzy's channel. Let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Peace.